Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to go over the AM Silver Bullet for Tuesday, November 7th. So let's look and see what it has going on here. First thing let's turn on the Kraken Silver Bullet Pro indicator and see where the 10 o'clock hour is right here. And obviously we're in an uptrend, right? And we're looking for a reversal, a potential reversal. And what do we get here? Well, here's a high taken. Here's a market structure shift to go down, right? Price came up here to a premium and could have gone short here, right? We didn't. We're just saying what could have happened. And it came down, but then it rallied up and it broke the high. So obviously this was a false move, right? It doesn't want to go lower right now. So we have to be looking for if we're still going to go long, right? So we'll mark out our things here. We have a breaker block, we have a low, high, lower, low. Came here, could have held it, but didn't. It broke through it, right? So now if we come back to this, we could potentially take a long, right? You also have a fair value gap here. We also need to watch right here, fair value gap. I have a little baby one right here. Right there, so we can get that right there as well. So let's see what we get here. See if we get to that breaker block. Here we go. All right, so let's buy one there. Let's put where are we going to target here, right? So when I look left, we have a drawn liquidity, a previous week high from October 16th. Okay, and then we also have a previous daily high on 10/13. Okay, I can't go back that far on the 1-minute chart here to show you. So those are what they are. They're still untapped. So those are potential draws and liquidity. We've been going up for a while. There's not past few days, and there's going to go back several weeks to get highs that we're taking. So let's aim for the low-hanging fruit here, right there. Let's aim for that right there. Okay, so we got the trade right there. Now let's see if we have another potential entry here. So we have a fair value gap right here, which could take another entry in. It's still in a discount, so I'll buy one if it comes down here. Oops. So if it comes back into that, I'll buy another one. It does. It comes back into this fair value gap as well, and that one, so I'll buy one there. Still aiming for the previous week high. Gonna watch for a reaction above this, see what happens here. Well, there you go. Flatten right there. All right, let's just see how the rest of the hour goes. See if we should have left a runner for the previous day high or not. And price is continuing to go up. There you go. There it was taken. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. We came to the 10 o'clock hour and we've had a market structure shift go lower. However, price didn't respect the fair value gap and premium, and it just continued trading past that old high. So obviously it didn't want to go lower at the time because that would have been a great time to reverse. So we marked out our breaker block and we had a couple fair value gaps here. Price came down, went through the first fair value gap in respect to the second one and the breaker. So we entered there. Price came up, entered another fair value gap with a second fair value gap there. Entered again, aiming for the low-hanging fruit, I'd say the previous week high of from 1016, so a couple weeks earlier. That was a weekly high, and then a previous day high was right there. So those are 2 AM Silver Bullets for November 7th using the Kraken Silver Bullet Pro indicator.